Hello, fellow writers, entrepreneurs and AI content creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today we explore the latest tools and tips to elevate your writing journey. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary, BookAI. If you've been dreaming of breaking into Kindle Direct Publishing, this might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Stick with us as we put BookAI to the test and share our honest insights. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, artificial intelligence is transforming the way we create content. Among the most exciting developments is BookAI, a tool that promises to help aspiring authors and content creators produce high-quality books efficiently.
But does it live up to the hype?
That's exactly what we're here to explore. Let's face it, writing a book can be incredibly daunting, especially for those of us just starting out. One of the biggest hurdles we encounter is writer's block. We've all been there, staring at that intimidating blank page, struggling to find the perfect opening sentence. It's frustrating, isn't it? And it can be downright discouraging. Time constraints add another layer of challenge. Our schedules are packed, and carving out time to sit down and write can feel impossible. But that's not all. In today's fast-paced digital world, there's immense pressure to produce high-quality content quickly. Readers have high expectations, and if we can't deliver, they'll quickly move on to something else. And let's not forget the fierce competition. With so many books out there, standing out and making our mark is harder than ever. All these challenges can be overwhelming, and it's easy to feel stuck. But what if we told you there's a tool designed to help us overcome these challenges? A tool that can generate ideas, organize thoughts, and even write our book for us. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what BookAI aims to accomplish. BookAI is an artificial intelligence-powered writing tool that utilizes advanced machine learning algorithms to generate high-quality content. And the best part? It's incredibly user-friendly. We simply input our ideas, and BookAI takes care of the rest. Need help developing your plot? Done. Struggling to create believable characters? No problem. Want entire chapters written? BookAI has got you covered. What we found truly fascinating is that BookAI doesn't stop at writing. It also assists with editing, ensuring our manuscript is error-free and polished. And if you need help with research, BookAI's got you covered. It provides relevant data and statistics to back up your claims, making it an all-in-one writing tool that can elevate your work to the next level. But here's the million-dollar question. Can BookAI really make us successful KDP authors? The answer is yes, and no. While BookAI can certainly help anyone produce high-quality content quickly, it's not a magic solution. You still need to put in the effort to market your book, engage with our audience, and continually produce new content. However, BookAI can certainly help us get our foot in the door, overcoming the initial hurdles of writing a book, and that's priceless. So, there you have it, our honest thoughts on BookAI. It's not a replacement for human creativity, but it's undoubtedly a powerful tool that can help us achieve our writing goals. If you're struggling to write your book, we highly recommend giving it a try. Thanks for tuning in. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AI writing tools. Have you used BookAI or any others? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos on writing tips and tricks. Join us next time as we explore a new and truly powerful tool designed to not only produce high-quality content and ebooks, but also all the marketing and audience outreach components as well. Until then, happy writing!